Okay, I'm planning on making some traffic lights for a couple of intersections, and this is my layout on the computer. The intersections I'm going to do, I'm thinking right now, will be this one, which is a T intersection, so I'd have 3 lights, one light on each side here for the main traffic, and then another light here for this road. And then it comes around this way, and I think I'll do another one here. Same T intersection, the main road, the traffic would be stopped on either side by a light there and there, and this road would have a light to control that. Okay, on the layout, oh, by the way, there's my helper, which I never get to use my own chair. See? That's the way it goes in the big city, huh? Anyway, on the layout, I'd have a road coming in this way across the tracks. It's going to come around. There'll be 2 industries here, and the first intersection would be right about there. And then it comes across here and around, and then the other intersection would be right about there, because there's an industry here and right there. Okay. Now I've got a test going on my Arduino, and I've got the first intersection basically set up here and the second one here, and I've got 2 LEDs for the main road. On each pin I've got 2 LEDs, red, yellow, and green, because I can drive 2 off of 1 pin. I'm using a 10 ohm resistor there, and on for the minor road, I only need 1 traffic light, so I'm just simulating it here with a red, yellow, and green LED and 510 ohm resistors there. And what I've got is some delays. For example, if you follow this light here, we've got the minor road green, the major lanes are stopped, then of course we go yellow, and then it'll go red, okay, and then the major road will go green on both lanes, of course. And I've got a random delay for this time right here, so it doesn't look so contrived. And I've also got some interleaving going on, so these lights don't look like they're changing at exactly the same time. For example, this intersection looks like it's working a little bit different than this intersection right here. So I think it looks pretty realistic. Now, so far so good, but I'm not really going to use these LEDs. I'm going to use the smaller ones, 1.6 millimeter, and I mean, I'll have to you know, they're tiny, and I'll have to you know, make the lights somehow. I don't know how yet. It's the same LEDs I use for the lights I made for the parking lot, and I'll probably use somewhat of the same technique, you know, a brass or copper rod, but I'll have to, I can't run all these in series. Each LED will have to have its own anode and cathode wire. So, you know, we'll have to see how that goes. But anyway, so far that's what I've got on the traffic lights. Thanks for watching.